In this video, I want to show you how to transfer your pictures, your videos from your DJI Action 6 to your phone using Wi-Fi. I also made a separate video if you want to do the same thing using a USB cable. If you want to use the Wi-Fi, it's easy. Turn on the camera. Then you have to launch the DJI Mimo app. It will then connect with your camera. You may have to press the connect button on the screen. And once you're over here, you're going to press down below in album. You're going to see all the pictures, all the videos that you have took with your camera. Now press this check mark and select everything you want to transfer. Then you're going to click this icon. It was a bit too quick, but I got a message file downloaded. Now if I open the camera app of my iPhone, I'll see all the files have been transferred. And this is about it. Obviously, if there are videos, it will take more time to transfer them in the camera roll of your iPhone or Android. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.